morning, CJ crew. It is your boy Chris.
And it's Jay. And welcome back to the Chris and Jay Way. Welcome back. So, now you read the title. Now you seen the thumbnail. I know you read the title. Yes, we are still in Italy. Actually, today's our last day in Milan. We're up early. We're about to go get some more coffee.
From the Starbucks Reserve.
That coffee is the best coffee we've ever had.
I said it one time, Starbucks in America, whatever y'all doing, I need to take some notes because that Starbucks Reserve.
Yes, it's so good. So we're about to head there, get some coffee and maybe some pastries, and then we have to head to our next destination.
Y'all come along with us.
Let's go.
We got to go.
Bye.
We are on the train. We're almost at our last stop. Okay, you ready?
We're about to head to Venice and Getaway.
All right, crew. So we just made it to Venice.
We're in the airport. I mean, I keep saying airport.
The train station. It reminds you of the airport, so I'll give you that, y'all. It don't look like a train station. It is really bright in here, but yeah, we here and we finna get ready to drop our bags off at the hotel.
No, we can check in now.
Okay, so yeah, we about to go check in at our hotel because this what time is it? It's like 2 o'clock. Okay, yeah, they better let us check in. They know it's Chris and Jay. We here. We got it.
And it's our anniversary.
Exactly. So yeah, so that's what we about to do now. So once we get all of these bags that Jay has put down.
I have one bag. And we ended up getting the second bag because he had too many stuff.
3 bags. 3 bags for Jay, 1 for Chris.
Wow.
2 for me. Okay. I got 2. I said 2. 2 to your 3.
1, 2. 1. This is both of our bags.
That count as 1.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, y'all. So yeah, we about to do that and we'll talk to y'all in a moment. One momento. What's up, y'all?
I'm trying to see my room. You guys, this is our second room here in Italy. This is giving very traditional. It's so nice. We have robes. One for me, one for you. Complimentary.
Are walking out in the streets of Venice. It's a little crowded, but we are looking for something to eat. Right? They said it's peak season, so did not know that. So next time I know not when to come.
Well, all of Europe is peak season in August.
Yeah, so and that's because of traveling and school.
This is a famous, a popular ice cream shop. Gelato shop. I have it on my list. Like everybody go here. Clearly, look at the line.
We gotta go there.
But it's really, 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 really good. So I heard.
I said, how you know? You been here before?
Yeah. In my other lifetime.
All right, let's talk about that. We'll be back. We'll be back. We'll be back. She never been here.
Yes, I have.
I had to get it out of her. She ain't been here.
What you did?
No. Whoa, wait. Why would you say that? No, you need to clean it up right now. No.
You didn't.
It's a little teacups. That's what she's trying to show y'all. Iron, copper teacups. Where you at? What's going on here?
I'm in pasta heaven. I might get this one.
Okay.
This fresh pasta. This is gluten free.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this. It say you cook it for 8 minutes.
Okay. What are the instructions? Yeah, we are currently at one of the biggest bridges in Venice. There's only 2 of them that actually can cross the gondola. So this is one of them. You can see people stopping, taking pictures and stuff. And yeah, soaking it all in. Different things. Got fresh coconut over there. Souvenirs. That's a dog on that boat. Look at him. Alright, y'all, so we are now getting ready to find some food. We got some souvenirs. They got some souvenirs. I got some souvenirs. And now it's time to find some food. Yeah, the weather out here is pretty good. Can't even lie. It's like a nice breeze coming off the, would you call this an ocean? Well, it's like a river. Okay. Water. Large body of water is what it's going to be called.
So we are at this restaurant right on the water. Well, we're literally on water, but we're about to eat. We ordered drinks.
Cheers. Alright, crew, so you gotta put a little cheese on it, because if you ain't got no cheese on it, then you ain't doing it right. So you just take a little, not too much, just enough.
And look at my cheese today.
No, just a little bit. Yeah. Gotta do it like that.
You're so eggy.
Alright, crew, so we have our ice cream from Sus. I don't really know the name, but they got cookies and cream, and I got like a cappuccino, little mix, little 1 scoop, something to top off our dinner.
And it's really good.
Yeah.
So busy here.
I love ice cream.
They know.
Gelato.
They know.
I know, but still. It might be some new people that don't know. Come on, guys.
Chris. Oh, that looks good.